Sup, shitbirds? So I went into the box of magic again. The box of magical records. Hey! Fuck off, phone. Piece of shit. Whatever. I always forget to turn that thing off. So, I'm literally just randomly reaching into the box and pulling things out. I pulled this out. I wish there was a proper cover for it, but, it's a fucking Miami Sound Machine, motherfuckers. Fucking Miami Sound Machine's great. Yeah, so this says Surrender Paradise, taken from the Epic LP. Primitive Love. Remixed by Shep Pettibone for Master Mix Productions. 1985. And on the other side, Bad Boy. Yeah, taken from Primitive Love too. Also remixed. Huh, weird. This record's certainly seen some better days, but it should play. I hope. Or it don't. I don't know. I'm gonna start with Bad Boy. I know this song. It's a great song. Alright, enough of that. Let's go to the other side. Surrender Paradise. Oh yes, this is gonna be a fucking ballad. Be my guess. Yeah, it had to be. It's not a bad ballad. It's got a little funk. Alright, enough. So, yeah, there you go. I don't know how I keep pulling out winners. I swear to you, I am not picking and choosing what I grab here. I'm literally just pulling at it random. Right now, anything that's actually in a sleeve, and then I'll start get to the unsleeved ones. And, yeah, as per usual, you want the record? Let me know. I get it to you. And, yeah. So, yeah, there we go. Bye-bye, Miami Sound Machine. And bye to you, fucksticks.